Think holding a plank longer makes it better? What if I told you the longer you hold your plank, the more damage you might be doing to your lower back without even realizing it? Pause. Today, I'm going to show you why 30 seconds done right beats 3 minutes done wrong every single time. Let's be honest. Most planks look strong, but they're secretly broken. Here's what I see all the time. Hips sagging like a hammock, but sticking way up in the air. Shoulders collapsing toward the ears. And people holding their breath like they're underwater. And here's the scary part. You feel the plank, but your core isn't actually doing the work. Your lower back and shoulders are paying the price instead. If you've ever finished a plank with back pain instead of core fatigue, this video is for you. Now here's the twist most people don't know. A plank isn't about holding still. It's about actively resisting movement. In a moment, I'll show you the exact body position that switches your plank from painful holding to core-shaking activation. But first, let's build it the right way. Think of your body like a skyscraper. If the foundation is weak, the whole building suffers. So we start from the ground up, elbows directly under shoulders, not in front, not tucked back, stack them straight underneath. Forearms press into the floor. Don't just rest, push the ground away. This alone activates your shoulders and upper core. Light bulb moment, light bulb. A plank isn't passive. It's a push. Now the most important part, your core. Here's where people mess up. Instead of tighten your abs, think this. Brace like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Pull your ribs slightly down. Squeeze your glutes. Gently tuck your pelvis, just a bit. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. If your lower back arches, you're leaking strength. If your butt is high, you're dodging the work. Right plank, you feel it in your abs and glutes. Wrong plank, you feel it in your lower back. That's the difference. Now let's talk breathing, because this is where planks level up. Most people hold their breath, but your core's real job is to stabilize while you breathe. Try this. Slow inhale through the nose. Controlled exhale through the mouth. Keep your ribs down while breathing. If your plank falls apart when you breathe, that's the weak link. Another quick check. Your shoulders should feel strong, not tense. Push the floor away and imagine space between your ears and shoulders. Light bulb moment, light bulb. If you can't breathe calmly, you're not controlling the plank. The plank is controlling you. Want to turn an average plank into an elite one? Try this advanced cue. Pretend you're pulling your elbows toward your toes without moving them. This creates full body tension. Lats engage. Core fires harder. Spine stays protected. This is why a perfect 20-second plank can feel harder than a sloppy 2-minute one. Quality beats time. Always. Let's lock it in. The perfect plank. Elbows under shoulders. Push the floor away. Brace the core like a shield. Squeeze glutes, ribs down. Breathe slow and controlled. Straight line. Full tension. No pain.